Hello guys, this is Atiat JT and today I will be showing you how to make a Filipino style spaghetti sauce. Before I begin, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell. To make our Filipino-style spaghetti sauce, these are the ingredients that you will need. 500 grams ground beef 80% lean, classic tender juicy hot dogs, slice, 1 kilogram Clara Olay sweet-style pasta sauce, 1 bar or 165 grams Eden cheese. You can also use any other cheddar cheese that you prefer. We also use 1 bulb of minced garlic, 3 bulbs of minced onion, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon ground black pepper, sugar to taste, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Open your stove and preheat your saucepan under medium heat. After a few minutes, put your vegetable oil and wait for it to heat up. Start by sauteing your garlic for a minute or two. Once it becomes lighter in color, you need to add in the onions and wait for it to become translucent. Add your ground beef and mix it with the aromatics. Season it with fish sauce and pepper, then simmer it for 10 minutes. The color of the meat should change from light pink to brown. When the mixture starts to simmer, add the hot dogs. The oil from the beef will fry it and let it sit for 5 minutes or until the hot dogs are cooked. Once the hot dogs are cooked, gently add the pasta sauce and stir it, and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Start adding sugar to taste. The amount of sugar depends on how sweet your sauce would be, and for me, I only put a tablespoon. Then, put a generous amount of cheese into the mixture. Save some of the cheese for garnish, and let the sauce simmer for another 5 minutes. When the sauce begins to bubble, mix it vigorously to incorporate the melted cheese into the sauce. Turn off the heat and let the sauce slightly cool. To cook the pasta, you will need water, oil, salt, and the pasta of your choice. I used penne for this recipe, and this is the brand that I purchased from the grocery. Start by putting 4 liters of water inside a pot, then add salt and a splash of vegetable oil. Turn on the heat and wait for it to boil. When the water starts to boil, add 500 grams of penne and mix it occasionally to prevent it from sticking onto the bottom of the pot. Cover the lid and wait for the pasta to cook al dente. Once the pasta is cooked, turn off the heat and drain it using cold running water. And now we're ready to plate. And there you have it, our Filipino-style spaghetti sauce used on a penne. Enjoy!